A touch of romance in every corner, residential cleaning with Komffy Maids. In a world where every corner of our homes tells a story, why not make that story one of romance and freshness? Why choose Komffy Maids for your residential cleaning? Our team of professionals is committed to impeccable cleaning and creating a romantic atmosphere in your home. We use high-quality and environmentally friendly cleaning products. We tailor our services to meet your specific needs, ensuring that every corner reflects your unique style. What benefits do you get from our residential cleaning? Enjoy the peace of mind of a clean and organized home, where every corner breathes freshness and romance. Have more time to spend with your loved ones and enjoy special moments. Rest assured knowing that your home is in the hands of professionals committed to excellence. Ready to discover how your home can shine with romance? Book your service with Komffy Maids today and let your home tell a story of love and comfort.